Hi everyone, Cordell here with 911 Rapid Response. Today we're actually talking Vengeant Apparatus. So behind us over here, you can't see it in the camera, but the new building's under construction and it'll be finished here in the coming months. The truck behind me is a perfect example of what Vengeant Apparatus is going to be constructing. So this truck here is a Ford F450 Lariat that was ordered as a chassis cab. And what we've done for this truck is we've equipped it with a custom body that is meant to be used in a hauling application. So I'm going to walk you around the body and talk you over some of the options we've actually equipped the body with to improve its use case. So starting out, just like everything with Vengeant Apparatus, this body is all aluminum. So it's going to match the aluminum cab structure of this Ford quite nicely. It's going to be a light body to increase the amount of payload you're able to actually haul with the truck. And what we've done here is we've gotten some nice compartments here on the side. Now they're going to be a little bit dirty here from construction because it's not been final cleaned yet. And what we have here is a double lip seal. So we have a sealing surface here on the door, and then we also have a sealing surface here as well. So what this is going to accomplish is it's going to keep your compartments clean so you do not end up with the compartments looking like this after it's been final cleaned. Nice heavy door, lockable. We've optioned this truck with a rubber flare. You might see them a lot of times with a chrome fenderette. With the use case this truck's going to be used for, it's going to be pulling a trailer on and off construction sites and other places. So what a rubber flare allows for is if something does graze the side of the truck or material is contacted when you're trying to load different things onto the flatbed surface of the truck, it's going to bend and give instead of scratching and denting like a chrome fenderette would. So just an option that we try to think ahead for. Coming here to the rear, again, we have a large, very deep compartment doors. The compartments on this truck are much deeper than what you would find standard on a body. When we get to the bed surface, what we have here is a PPC coating on all of our diamond plate, tread plate. We've got the spare tire mounted up front, and we've actually powder coated this gloss black as well to help tie in with the black theme on the bed. You're going to see we have some rings actually attached to the fuel tank there, and that is so the customer can actually transport some propane tank bottles when he needs to get them filled for an RV application. What we're also looking at here is this bulkhead below the headache rack that is actually an auxiliary fuel tank. So this fuel tank holds about 42 gallons of diesel fuel, and it has a sending unit that actually goes to a gauge mounted here in the A-pillar of the truck. So right here we have a Bosch sending unit and gauge on the A-pillar. What that is going to do is tell you the fuel tank level, the fuel level in your auxiliary tank. And as you're driving down the road, we've equipped a solenoid to open to fill up your factory tank, and that's actuated via the upfitter switches in the cab of the truck. Additionally, on top of our body color painted to match headache rack that is included and incorporated into the bed itself, this is an extremely heavy duty unit. So it is truly going to protect your truck's cab structure. But we have Technique lighting, which comes with a lifetime warranty. So here we have stop tail turns built into the headache rack, along with these white lights that are going to tie into not only reverse, but we also have it hooked up via a switch, diode, and relays that you're able to use an auxiliary switch in the cab from factory to activate your white lighting. So when the customer is loading items on the bed at the night, or if the customer is going to be backing up to a trailer, he's going to be able to have lighting and able to do that. The hitch on this vehicle is a B&W Companion fifth wheel hitch. So what this setup allows for is it actually has a gooseneck pocket in the bed. So this can actually pull out of the receiver. You can have a completely flush bed, or you can drop in a gooseneck ball if you want to tow a gooseneck application. Or here we have it set up for a fifth wheel. So as we come to the rear of the vehicle, you're going to notice we also have, of course, a fifth wheel plug up on the bed for the trailer. Technique lighting featured in the back. Trailer harness down below as well for a conventional bumper pull trailer. For the truck this size, you really want to be able to pull any trailer you may come across. All right, everyone, so in closing of the video here on the 2017 F450, I just want to touch on the fact that Vengeant Fabrication, not only do we have Vengeant Apparatus and Vengeant trailers, but we're able to fabricate needs for our commercial clients as well. So starting out in this package here, we sat down with the client, and we actually helped design the chassis with our dealer network so we could get them the best price and best options on the chassis to suit it for its final application. Once the truck order was placed, we went to work designing and manufacturing the bed on the back of this unit specific to their application. So if this is something that you feel may be useful for your business, or if you're a private individual that also would have a need like this, please reach out, contact us. We'd be happy to help you. Our business is not just public safety. We are here for individuals as well. So follow us on 911rapidresponse.com. There's all of our contact information. Vengeant Apparatus is going to be a website where you can see a lot of our truck builds and information about that process as well. Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, all places you can find us as well. We appreciate your support and following along, guys, and stay tuned as we do more cool stuff like this.